Hello everyone, this is Noah with Save Green here, and we're going to talk a little bit about the Trane Hyperion air handler. And one of the features and benefits of the air handler is that it is built with an all aluminum coil, and that's just one of the many benefits and features. The one I personally like is the unit is built just like a beach cooler. So if you're used to taking your air handler apart and looking at the inside of it here and on this side, and even on the front panel, when you remove it, you will notice that there is fiberglass on it. And these units are built no different than a beach cooler that you would take with you to the beach. It's basically a double wall built cabinet with spray foam on the inside. So just like a beach cooler. So I'll show you here. You see that it's a smooth cabinet there? So the cover itself, there's no exposed fiberglass. So it is built, like I mentioned, with spray foam. And they're easy to remove, particularly the bottom panel, which you're going to need to remove to get to your filter access. If you notice here, there's these turn screws. You turn them, and they come out. And it'll tell you right here, the blower and the filter is located here, of course. So once you get that out of the way, you will see that your blower is there in the bottom. And then you will see your filter access. Now, I personally like to use the Filtrete filters by 3M. These are micro allergen extra filters. And what I'll do is I will post a link down at the bottom so you know exactly which one this is. As you can see, it's approved by the American Lung Association as a health partner. And these are very good pleated filters. So they are wonderful filters. If you have pets, you need to get yourself a pleated filter. Don't just buy any cheap filter. Invest the money and get something really good, especially if you have a very good air handler like this one here. So another thing that you'll see in the design, and again, you can kind of appreciate here where it's smooth on the inside. There's absolutely zero fiberglass in here. One thing I can appreciate is that this air handler is built with the blower in the bottom and the coil on the top. Now, if you're shopping around for an air conditioner, you definitely want to look into this, because what this does is it gives you a positive pressure. Normally, you would have, on many systems, the coil on the bottom, the blower on the top. What happens is when the coil is, the blower is up here in the space of the coil, your blower is actually pulling air up through it. So what's going to happen is, if it's located in an attic, it's going to pull air from within the unconditioned environment and push that into your home. It doesn't happen here. And another positive is, since this side up here is under positive pressure, meaning that it's blowing air towards you and not that way, it's actually going to drive the air through the drain line and kind of push that condensate, water, and muck out, and not the other way around. If you've noticed this on a traditional air handler where the coil is in the bottom and the blower is here, this line is going to be under negative pressure, meaning that it's going to be sucking in. And you'll notice this because as soon as the unit stops, then you'll feel like the gurgling, or you'll hear it where it's gurgling water back to the outside. So those are some of the features and benefits. I am going to go ahead and put in this brand new pleated filter in there. And like I mentioned, I will post a link down at the bottom. But seriously, if you're looking into a new air conditioner, definitely do your research and invest a little bit more money into the Trane Hyperion air handler with an all smooth spray foam cabinet and zero fiberglass on the unit. Again, this is Noah with Save Green here. Thank you for watching.